Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing this morning?
Doing pretty good.
I heard that you fix watches or adjust them or something like that. I got one, this is 1969 Extron Boulevard. And that's a song it was given to me by my father, you know, it's a sentimental reason. But I love it because it looks good and it's solid gold, you know, this song, and I'm in love with this. But it stops, sometimes it stops, and I'm late to work, whatever it is. Can you adjust it or do something to it?
Well, I'm your grandson, but I can try my best.
Well, try, see what you can do for it, son.
Okay.
I heard something,
Might have been a little ticking.
Probably spring.
Yeah, probably the spring.
You don't think it's broke?
Nah, I hope not.
Let me see.
Gonna try it out.
Let me see. I can't see very good,
I understand.
but I can see the needle working now. Let me see. Give me a couple of seconds and I'll tell you. It stopped again.
Okay.
Probably have to tap it a little harder.
No problem. See what I can do.
Be careful with it because I'm in love with that watch.
I think it started ticking.
Tap it a little bit more. A little bit. Not too hard now. Okay. Just a little bit more. Because if it works, I'm going to keep it forever.
I think it started working.
Let me see again. Then it stopped again. Now it worked again.
Okay.
You think you ought to tap it a little bit more?
I don't think I should, but if you want me to.
I'll take the risk on it.
Okay.
I'll take the risk on it. Tap it a little bit. Not too hard now. Not too hard.
I think it has to do with the back.
Yeah. You think so?
I think so.
That'd be the problem.
I don't think I should go, but if you
Give it a little harder. Give it a little harder.
If I go any harder,
A little harder.
if I go any harder, it's gonna break.
I'll take a gamble on it. Little harder.
I think it might break.
Think so?
I think so.
Oh, come on now. Tap it. Tap it. Tap it. Oh, I'm getting mad. I'm getting mad. Do you know what you're doing?
Of course I do.
Oh, I'll tell you what. Man, I'll take a risk on it. Tap it, but a little harder than that. Little harder. Hard!
Fine.
Damn. Look at my watch.
You said you wanted to fix it, so I fixed it.
Well, yeah, but not that hard. What am I going to do now? I was going to give it to you.